Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. As I had told you before on the video with the macaroni and cheese and the pulled pork, I would go ahead and do a video for you for what I call a hog trough. And I've already got that started. In here is my tenderloin that I'm cooking in the slow cooker. Over here I have some, it's a mixture of pinto beans and the white beans. A potato over there for Tom. I'm not going to have the potato, or I'll do something different for mine. Now, I've got some brown spur sweetener in there. I have Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke. I have some dehydrated onions, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt. That's everything that's in here. Ooh. That's everything that's in there cooking. Once everything gets finished cooking, then I'll come back to you all and show you how to complete the process of a hog trough. I know it sounds weird, but you'll understand when you see it. I'll see you soon. Okay. The pork tenderloin is finished, and I'm just shredding it up now. And I'm going to take some of the juice that's left over in the slow cooker here and drizzle it in here to give it that added flavor. But oh my, it smells so good. You can shred it in chunks, just however you like to eat it. Whatever works best for you. I have to say I'm going to take a bite. Give it a try. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. Now, let's go back down here so y'all see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and put some of this juice in there. Now, I pull all of the fat off of mine. You don't have to if you don't want to. I just don't like the texture of it. So I pull it off of it. I'm going to put about 3 ladles full in. And then give it a toss around. Yeah, that's more than enough. And I'll let it sit for a little while and absorb that juice. Oh yeah. And let's don't forget these. Tom's home and he's already gave these a taste and he said they are perfect. So, yeah. Sorry, I don't have enough light on in here. I'm going to have to turn on some more light, you all. But, I'll get back with you all after I get the baked potatoes ready and show you the rest of the process. Okay, here's our hog trough. Here's the trough, which is a baked potato. Okay. I made this one in the microwave. We're going to pop it open. Now, there's your trough. Next up, there's our beans that we're putting in the trough. A little bit of the juice with it. Okay. Now, time to call the pork to the trough. Here, piggy, piggy. Pile it on top there like that. You can put your little cheese on there if you want to. Tom said he didn't want cheese on his today. So, we're just going to give him a little more of the beans on the top. And that, my friends, is a hog trough. We've ate these for years. You can put pretty much anything you want to in there. You can put pulled chicken, whatever you want. But that's it. That's the hog trough. If you all try this, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. Click the notification bell so you'll know every time I put new content on. So we'll see you next time. Time to call the piggies to the trough. Bye, y'all.